check beta what is given to you in the question. I'll read the question for you. It is given that we have ABCD as a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Done. And second thing, P and Q are the midpoints of the diagonals AC and BD given to us. These three things. We need to prove that PQ should be half of AB minus CD. This is what is given to us in the question. So what I'll do, I'll take a point over here, which is R. Okay, and now let us start with the proof. I'll explain this very well to you. Okay, listen. क्या proof करना है हमको कि PQ should be equal to half of AB minus CD. This is what I need to prove. How will I do this? Pay attention, beta, please. So first of all, I'll take triangle CDQ. Understand very well. So I'll start in triangle CDQ. So if I'm going for CDQ, this will be RBQ. So I'll take triangle RBQ. I'll underline this. Now, which test of congruency to be used here? Okay, I clearly know one thing. This angle and this angle 100% equal because they are parallel, so they form alternate interior angles. So the name of the angles, angle CDQ is equal to angle RBQ, and the reason over here is alternate angles. Okay, now it is given that Q is the midpoint of the diagonal DB, so 100% DQ is equal to BQ. It is given in the question, so I can say that DQ is equal to BQ. The reason over here is Q is the midpoint. Q is the midpoint. And one more thing, children. Yes, this angle is equal to this angle. The reason would be vertically opposite angles. Correct? So I'll name the angles now. So I can say angle CQD is equal to angle RQB, and the reason for this is vertically opposite angles. Done. So clearly you can see that both the triangles will be congruent by angle side angle axiom. So I'll write therefore triangle CDQ is congruent to triangle RBQ, and this is by angle side angle axiom, or else you can write test, whatever. So angle side angle test or angle side angle axiom. Okay, now why I have done this? You must be having a question, and you should have this question that why did you take the congruency, for what reason? You will get to know now. So first of all, you know when the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also what? Congruent. So I can clearly say that DC is equal to what? RB. Okay, first. So I can say that CD is 100% equal to RB. I'll declare it equation 1, and the reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, one more pair I can have. Can I also say that CQ will be equal to what? RQ. Same reason, CPCT. So I can write here CQ is equal to RQ, equation number 2, and the reason would be CPCT. Fine, beta. Now what? Now you will understand ki why did I go for congruency, and then why I have taken two pairs of CPCT. Abhi samjhega. Now do one thing, go for the required thing. So triangle CRA. Okay, so I'll start with here. In triangle CRA, I'll underline that. Acha, in triangle CRA, it was given in the question that P is the midpoint of the diagonal AC. So I can just write here P is the midpoint of AC. The reason would be given. And abhi thoda der pehla you proved that CQ is equal to RQ using the CPCT. So I can confirm, I can say Q is the midpoint of what? CR. So I'll write here Q is the midpoint of CR. And how did I get to know this? So it's from equation number 2. Correct? CQ is equal to RQ. So that clearly says Q is the midpoint of CR. You know very well the line joining the midpoints of two sides is half the third side. So I can say therefore the line joining the two midpoints is PQ. So I can say that PQ is half of the third side of the triangle, that is AR, and the reason would be midpoint theorem. Clearly using midpoint theorem, beta. Okay, now what? Look here, therefore I'll write PQ as it is, half bracket. Now children, so easy to understand this. AR है ना, तो AR को मैं ब्रेक कर सकते हैं कैसा? I can write पूरा AB minus what? RB. Yeah, it's clear. This AR I can write it as पूरा AB minus what? RB. So I'll write AB minus RB. Fine children. And now अब जो first CPCT हमने यूज किया था, आई थिंक दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूजफुल राइट नाउ. लुक हियर, RB इज इक्वल टू विच वन? CD. याद है दो ट्रायंगल्स लिया था ये और ये, जिसमें CD और RB इक्वल प्रूफ किया था बाय यूजिंग CPCT. सो नाउ आई कैन जस्ट रिप्लेस दिस RB बाय यूजिंग व्हाट? CD. And I think whatever we wanted to prove, I think it's all done. खाली यहाँ पे you have to put the reason that how this replacement has been done. So I'll just write the reason from equation number 1 and hence proved. Done children. Quite easy and nicely explained as well. I'm damn sure about it. Okay. Thanks. Bye.